Hello, what is up mga Momster Sir Mom? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the M. Bison Ultra Street Fighter 2 The Final Challengers from Jaded Toys. This is the front of the box. It's the window type packaging, so makikita mo na yung action figure. And also meron din siyang pixelated background. It's very nice. Parang yung sa background dun sa game. Also you have HP, 1 player, 34,200 KO, health bar, damaged health bar, 57,000, 5,700, 2 player, tapos mga arcade buttons dito. Super cool box art design. Beside you have the characters Kami, Fei Long, Ryu, and DJ. Sa likod naman, shot of the action figure. This is M. Bison. Tapos nandito pa yung lahat ng roster ng Street Fighter 2. Sa kabila naman you have Vega, T-Hawk. Yan. Meron ding profile sa M. Bison. Country of origin, unknown. Fighting style, psycho power. Yan. Okay. Out of the box, he stands around 6.25 inches tall. Ang width niya around 3.5 inches. And yung thickness niya, 1.5 inches. Out of the box, this is a very nice M. Bison action figure, just like in the video games. Dati naglalaro ako ng mga Street Fighter na video fighting games. Super cool. Ito yung si M. Bison, yung final boss dun sa game. I do really like fighting against him during the Street Fighter 2 era and the Street Fighter 4 Champion Edition sa mobile game, sa mobile. Overall, it's a very nice sculpt, very detailed. Yung kanyang suit, meron siyang texture. And tapos sa head, you have the helmet of M. Bison. Tapos meron siyang gold na skull. Tapos meron din siyang wings on each side. Para siyang policeman helmet. And then you also have his uniform. It's a red suit na merong mga texture, super cool. Then you also have the trim, na blue trim all around his neck, papunta dito sa middle of the chest, hanggang dito sa belt area, hanggang sa crotch area. You have also the belt piece, yung strap color black, and yung buckle gold. Tapos meron din siyang effect part na psycho power, very cool, translucent purple. Tapos meron ka ding option na tanggalin tong wired cape. This is a very nice wired cape, so you can do some dynamic poses dito sa kanyang cape. Yung inside part ng kanyang cape black, pero yung labas it's a dark military green. Kung gusto niyo mo naman walang cape, ganito yung kanyang appearance. And also you have the alt head. Ito yung alt head niya. It's a very neutral na some sort of angry sad face. Dito naman it's a very angry expression ni M. Bison. So ni-research ko din kung bakit M yung pangalan niya, M. Bison. Sabi ni Wikipedia, stands for Mike. Dun sa, kasi may history yan sa names ng mga characters, diba? Dati ito si Balrog. May mga interchangeable names, Balrog, Vega, and Bison. So ni-research ko, M stands for, may mga changes silang ginawa based dun sa naming convention sa US and Japan. So it's the Western and Eastern naming convention. So M stands for Mike. Pero sabi naman ng mga Japanese na developers, kung sino nag-create nito, it's part of the character's mystery. Hindi nila kinonfirm na yun yung ibig sabihin nun, yung MM. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung meron yun sa movie, kung ni-reveal yun sa movie, pero yun lang yung na-research ko. Ang maganda rito pala, balik tayo sa action figure. It's the silver part, so meron siyang shoulder armor, gauntlet, and knee pads, and shin guards. Tapos meron ding foot pads. Very cool silver na ginamit dito. Very nice. Okay. Sa likod naman, ito yung kanyang appearance. Okay. Sa articulation, yun na natin. Head up, down, tilt. Very nice tilt. Laki. Laki ng range of motion. Separate yung neck at saka head. Tapos butterfly joint, in, out. Arms can move outward. 360 ba yung arms? Yeah, it can move. Yeah, it can move 360. Tapos may rotation dito sa arms. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang elbow. And ball joint yung kamay. You can also stretch and ab crunch tilt. Yes, pwede rin. 360, pwede rin. You can kick that far. Double jointed knee, that far. Tapos meron ding thigh cut. And then also have foot movement. Okay, ball joint din yung paa. Okay. Sa mga accessories, yun nga, meron siyang cape, alt hands, and alt face. Tapos meron din siyang psycho power effect. So super cool na action figure na to. If you want to have this, marami nito sa marketplace and sa Shopee. Ang ganda ng ng wired cape. Super cool. Alright, so yun lang mga mom sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.